Today, we will talk about the correct way to use fabric scissors. First, fabric scissors should only be used for cutting fabric and not for other materials. Cutting different materials can affect the lifespan of the scissors. Avoid using the tip of the scissors to cut heavy materials. When cutting heavy materials, move closer to the pivot point near the screw. For cutting thin materials, you can use the front part of the scissor blades. When making cuts, you can lay the tip of the scissors flat. When cutting, ensure the scissors don't go beyond the pattern. While cutting curves, open and close the scissors slightly, and cut slowly. Avoid opening them too wide, as it can lead to overcutting. For straight lines or large curves, use the weight of the scissors as support. Move your hand forward while cutting the fabric. This will result in a smooth cut. Next, let's test the sharpness of the scissors by cutting multiple layers of fabric. You can see the scissors cut very smoothly. Kering's tailoring scissors are made with a flat head. For safer use, preventing injury to the hands and damage to the fabric. Finally, let's talk about daily maintenance of scissors. Regularly wipe off dust to reduce wear from friction. Avoid cutting air with the scissors, and periodically oil them to prevent rust. For beginners, it's not recommended to sharpen the scissors by yourself.